What you're about to see is not staged. In this compilation, you'll witness moments you couldn't make up, even if you tried. Get comfortable, hit the like button, and subscribe, because you're about to see footage you won't forget anytime soon. In Las Vegas, Nevada, a man slowly approached a home and picked up a package left on the porch. After a quick inspection, he seemed to realize there was nothing valuable inside.
Hey, you got a pack? I don't know if this is our house, but it's like pretty one of these. It's like codes for constipation.
Yeah, probably.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Okay. I totally. They keep sending our packages everywhere. My ex-wife and I. Ex-wife.
He then tried to make up an excuse for the homeowner, but they weren't buying it.
Oh, that's what I meant. No.
Yeah, you found out it was useless to you, so now you want to leave it.
Like, I'm very constipated all the time, bro.
Why did you open it up before you returned it? Why did it take you opening up?
In Seattle, a man approached a house and tried to open the door. When the handle didn't turn, because it was locked, he resorted to an aggressive move, kicking it.
Who he wouldn't know what it was. Obviously, he didn't answer it. Yeah. This ain't nobody stuck here, on God.
Later, seemingly regretting his actions, he returned and apologized.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna go, yeah, I gotta go to jail. Like, yeah, I will. Y'all make a mistake.
In Florida, a man with an umbrella stole a package. The homeowner saw him through the doorbell camera and activated the speaker, but the man firmly said he wasn't returning the package and then ran off.
Sir?
Yes?
Yeah, you can put that back.
No.
Who are you?
I had it delivered here.
No.
Nice, because you're 25, yeah.
What the is going on?
Look at how angry this man is. While simply passing by, he punched a stranger's car. Then, he just kept walking. In Florida, a delivery driver made an unexpected move. He simply took someone's cat and placed it in his vehicle. It seems he wanted a pet, but chose the worst possible way to get one. A video doorbell captured the moment of an accident that happened right on the street. Two cars collided, and from the footage, it appears that the driver of the white vehicle failed to yield. On a tense night in Las Vegas, a man decided to vandalize a home. He started by kicking the door, then hurled a massive rock straight at the entrance. Throughout the incident, he shouted and cursed constantly at the homeowner. The question remains, what made him react so violently?
You piece of garbage! Mother!
A thief tries to steal someone's bike from in front of their house, but he seems surprisingly obedient to the homeowner's instructions given through the video doorbell.
Please move away from the bikes.
For me?
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
A woman walks up to the front of a house and behaves strangely, even going so far as to check the mailbox. When the homeowner tries to speak to her through the speaker, she acts as if she simply made a mistake, claiming she's looking for someone named Ashley.
Hi, can I help you?
Oh yeah, do you is Ashley here?
There is no Ashley at this house.
Are you sure? Because I was just here the other day and she was here.
Nope.
Alright.
Did you see that? At the end, she covered the doorbell camera, truly unsettling. This time, here's something a bit more amusing. Two women were returning home with their groceries when someone decided to prank them using the video doorbell speaker.
Hey, Mama.
They just got a thing that says tell us to search. Yeah, all four of them. I said him. I offered him 29 for him. It's not for counting on that. He'll eat yourself old. It says it's for.
I'm glad I got that on record.
Why would you do that?
All I did was say, hey.
Do that? Oh my God! You scared the hell out of me.
Ooh.
Hey, I'm finna call you.
Okay.
All right.
Two men broke into a salon in Sarasota, stealing makeup products and other goods. In this footage, you can see what the two suspects were wearing. One had a hoodie, the other a hat. Their loot included a large amount of cosmetics, drinks, and even an iPod. In Serbia, a small aircraft suddenly crashed, shocking the entire community. Residents heard a loud explosion, and when they looked outside, they saw the destroyed plane right on the street. The shock was overwhelming for everyone nearby.
Oh my God, it's right out down the street!
In this video, a man collapsed while walking his dog. The pet didn't just stay by his side, it tried to stop cars to get someone to help. The instincts animals have are truly remarkable. A woman got an unexpected surprise when she spotted a bear comfortably sitting in her car. Panic set in instantly, and she tried to shut the door, but with no success. At least for the bear, the encounter ended with an unplanned snack. Here, you can see a FedEx courier delivering a package, only to simply toss it in front of the door, without any concern that the box or its contents might be damaged.
Hey, when you throw it like that, half of the cans are unusable. Please don't do that. When you throw the box like that, half of the cans... I've been getting chewy for 5 years, buddy. When you throw it like that, which I've got on film now, half of the cans are dented, and I can't use them.
That's heavy, like, so
I
got
understand
that
it's
far,
heavy.
so put it like this, so it's heavy, it's really heavy.
I know.
Yeah,
Well, then don't do this for a living.
I know, but it's really heavy, it's just felt like this one.
Every time you guys do that. Every single time.
Me?
Whoever works for FedEx. UPS doesn't do it. The U.S. Postal Service doesn't do it, but FedEx does it every time.
FedEx?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm not doing it like this.
You just did it.
What's this one really heavy, man? If you want to lift this one,
I've been buying the same stuff for 5 years. I know it's heavy. But you can't just throw it because it's heavy.
I apologize, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Every moment captured in this compilation reminds us how quickly an apparently ordinary situation can turn into a memorable one. From amusing encounters to tense moments, these clips show just how much cameras can catch, even when we're not ready for it. If you enjoyed this compilation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future episodes. Until next time, stay alert and ready for anything, because you never know what might be caught on camera.